This is gonna be a OR logic gate. So first of all, we have our resistor connected to the voltage in to the board. After that, we're gonna put our first transistor. We're gonna be connecting the collector to the voltage in, meaning to the resistor. Then we're gonna be connecting our second transistor on a separate place in our board. Then we're gonna be connecting our first cable into the collector, into the first transmitter. Then to the first leg, the collector and our second transistor. Then our third connection is gonna be done on the emitter on our first transistor into the collector in the second transistor. Then the LED is gonna be placed at the end where the second transistor is on the emitter. Then after that, we're gonna be closing the circuit from the end part of the leg on our LED. We're just putting the LED to see if the circuit is closing through that end, or just if just the circuit is sending on another part of the circuit. So we're gonna be using the yellow cable as a switch on our first transistor, connecting the collector of the first transistor, and we're gonna be using our white cable 2 as a switch, as the same on the first leg on the collector. Then we're gonna be closing the circuit in the first transistor. We're checking and the light is on. Then the second one, we're checking the second switch. When you close it, it's on too, completing these OR gate. Now we're gonna be connecting both to see what happens, and as we can see, it's on too. So that's our first circuit close, and if you take off both, it's disconnected and it's off. Now let's check the OR gate on the logic table. So we have this connected. So let's disconnect the two switches, checking the first statement on the table. So it's 0, 0, 0, meaning the two switches are off and the LED is off too. So let's check the second one, 0, 1, and 1. Let's connect the second switch to see what happens. So as you can see, the light is turning on. So it is the same as the table, 0, 1, 1. Let's disconnect it now to check on the third statement, 1, 0, 1, meaning when you connect the switch 2, it's gonna turn on. Alright, so as you can see, it turns on, 1, 0, 1. Then let's check the third statement, just connecting the second transistor to the base. So 1, the first one is 1, the second is 1, both switches are connected, and the LED is on, AB1. Let's discuss real life applications on the OR gate. First of all, we see the light bulb application on the stairs. When either or switch is turned on, either upstairs or downstairs, the light bulb is turned on too. Then we can see, let's say, the car keys. You can open your car either by using the physical key or the keyless option will be with nowadays with your phone. Then the keys has these waves that it sends to your car. It senses that it's close and you can open your car with no problem. Um, then we have the phone unlocking. You can unlock your phone in different ways now, either by using your fingerprints or your face, even face recognition, or a pin tactic. Uh, then we also have some agricultural examples, such as when the light is on, you can turn on the water to water the plants there, or you can do it manually, or when it senses the weather is dry, you can start the water too. Um, this is the end of the presentation. Thank you for everything. See you next time.